we already know, the world is changing rapidly every single day. Thus, in today's global environment, sustainability and competitive advantage of companies depend mostly on their capability of adapting to changes business requirements. And as a result, many working individuals or companies that fail to keep up the changes and the requirements would normally end up bankrupt or losing their jobs. To combat that, creating future workforce involves not only attracting and developing new talent needed, but also reskilling current employees through training programs, as well as redesigning work process for reducing the skill mismatch between jobs and employees. This chapter examines how Industry 4.0 will alter the landscapes for talent development. To begin with, Industry Revolution 4.0 is closely an extension of what STEM is all about: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. In this huge transformative world, it has brought about the creations of new sectors like data science, creations of new business models such as platforms, creations of new types of companies such as cloud computing providers, and initiations of new organizational roles like social media account managers. Developments in robotic, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are channeling through a new phase of automations of work processes at which smart and even smarter machines match or even outperform human performance in a wide range of activities. As machine intelligence capacities develop further, applications of artificial intelligence like machine learning, 3D printers, driverless car, and the others are likely to abolish more jobs currently done by humans. Yet, the rise of digitalizations would also have a considerable positive impact on employment by creating new jobs and roles in various industries. Some possible new jobs of the future include robot coordinator, digital product manager, digital business developer, data protections officer, web project manager, web integrators, and more. As we are listening right now, we might be thinking, how are we going to do that? According to the 2020 predictions of the World Economic Forum, the future workforce is expected to have mostly cognitive ability of 52%, system skills of 42%, and complex problem solving at around 40%. In addition to those skills, workers are required to have basic skills for information and communication technology. ICT skills become a necessity for all employees, even for workers having low-skill jobs. Let me give you an example. At restaurants, waiters need to take orders on iPads, and thus, these employees need basic ICT skill to be able to do their job. Within today's constantly changing work environment, soft skills have become even more crucial even than before. For that reason, in order to perform effectively and sufficiently within Industry 4.0 work circumstances, employees should get into the habit of continuous learning, not simply in their own professions, but in a wider angle within an interdisciplinary perspective. In conclusion, Industry 4.0 can either be a good thing or a bad thing, depending on how you look at it. On the one hand, it may possibly be able to steal many jobs from working class people, or on the other hand, Industry 4.0 environments will allow employees to have more opportunities for individual responsibility, decentralized leaderships, and involvement in decision making. How about you? Are you ready to enter Industry 4.0?